All right, boys. Today's lesson is the area of a rectangle. We're gonna find it. Look with me, please. The first rectangle, its length is 6 centimeter long. Its width, it's 4 centimeter. And that means this side is equal to 6. Okay, again. Look, we said this rectangle is 6 centimeters long. The length, its width, it's 4. What about this side? 6 centimeter. And this one is 4. So we said each two opposite sides are equal in length. Yes, Al-Ghamdi.
Yeah.
For this one, the rule to find the area is to multiply the length by width. Length by width. So what is the area?
I will multiply.
Again,
How?
what is the length of this rectangle? The longest side. What is the longest side? 6 or 4?
The under 6.
6. This one is 6. So the length is 6
Yes.
times the width. What is the width?
4
4.
equals 24.
So we have here 24 squared centimeters. This is the area.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, the second one, you're gonna do it. For this rectangle, we have 10 feet. For the length, for width, we have only 3 feet. So what do you think about this side?
3.
3. And the opposite side of 10 must be 10. Must be 10. What is the area?
10 multiplied 3 is
Easy.
30.
Area is 10 multiplied by 3. It's gonna be
30.
30. What
Yeah.
is the unit? Squared feet.
Square feet.
So I'm gonna write FT, and above it we're gonna put 2, and that stands for squared feet. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Usama.
Yes.
This one, a rectangle or a square?
It's a rectangle.
The long side here is the length, and the shortest one is the width. So here, 10 is the length, 3 is width. Here, 6 is length, 4 is width. Look, for this one, it's 20 meters. 20 meters. This one is only 4 meters. So the length, I'm sorry, it's meters, not centimeters. So the length is 20 centimeter. I'm sorry, 20 meters again. Width is 4. What do you think about this length? Is it 20? 20 meters. And width is 4 meters.
4. It's 4.
What is the area?
It is gonna be.
We're gonna multiply what number by what number?
Just a minute.
What is the length? What is the length?
20 multiplied by 4.
20 times 4. What is 20 times 4?
It's gonna be.
Just drop 0 in the answer, then multiply 2 by 4.
8.
8. So the answer is 80 squared meters. Is it easy or hard?
It's very.
Very hard?
No. Oh.
Okay. Look.
We're going to solve the area and perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle, remember, has two sets of congruent sides or equal sides. So if this is 12, then the top is also 12. If this side is 7, then this side is also 7. So in order to solve for the area of a rectangle, we need to think of the formula. And the formula is length times width, because we want to find the inside. The area is on the inside. So the length is going to be 12 times the width, which is over here, that's 7. So when I do 12 times 7, you get 84. Needs a label, it's in centimeters. So the answer is 84 square centimeters. To find the perimeter, remember the perimeter is just adding all the sides. So if you see here, a rectangle has...
We studied perimeter before, but our lesson today is about area. So look how to find perimeter.
1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we're going to add 4 numbers. We're going to add 12 plus 12, and then 7 plus 7. When we add all those sides, you get 38.
So the teacher said the area is how to multiply the length by width. When you multiply length by width, you will find the area. The perimeter is to add all the side lengths, like 12 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7. The area is to count how many squares inside the figure. Perimeter, to calculate the length around the shape, around the figure.
Centimeters. So our perimeter is 38 centimeters.
All right, another video about the same topic.
How to find the area of a rectangle. Area is the amount of space inside a flat shape. It's important for everyone to know how to find it. Adults need to find the area of a room to buy the right amount of flooring, and you need to know it in school to ace your tests. The first shape we work with in school is a rectangle. Area is measured in square units, so let's divide this rectangle up into square units and find out how many it has. 5, 10, 15. 15 square units. We have 3 rows of 5. 3 times 5 is 15. The quickest way of finding the area of a rectangle is to measure 2 adjacent sides and multiply those numbers. These sides are next to each other, so they're adjacent. We call them length and width. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. If we're finding the area of this rectangle here, we could carve it up into little squares and count all of those. But that would take a long time on a big rectangle. Instead, it's always much quicker to multiply length times width to get the area. On our rectangle, length is 10 meters and the width is 7 meters. Area is length times width, so 10 times 7 is 70. 70 what? The diagram shows us the measurements are in meters, so we have to put that in our answer. Area is 70, m for meters, squared. The little 2 superscripted up here stands for squared. It makes sense because we measured in 2 dimensions, length and width. Here's one last rectangle. The length is 10 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. Area is length times width, so 10 times 4 is 40. The area is 40 centimeters squared. Always use that unit of measurement squared in your answer. If you forget to,